Welcome to this lower body focus class where we're going to be using a looped resistance band for a little bit extra leg activation. If you're ready to get started, loop your band around your upper thighs and join me on the mat. Let's get started laying on to your back, pressing the feet firmly down against the mat. Arms by your side, and before we begin any movement, allow yourself to take some deep breath here, in through the nose, long breath out through the mouth. Let your upper body stay nice and at ease right now and throughout the session, starting to press even more into the feet. And next time you exhale, hips lift, lowering back down. Exhale up. Inhale, lower. Now our pelvis just skims the mat when we go back down. You want more work in the legs, press more firmly. If that causes cramping, or you just want to warm up a little bit more, press a little lightly into the feet instead. A few more times here, upper body staying nice and relaxed. Emphasis lower body to breath. And last one. Staying down, walk the feet away from you a step. Exhale, pull one thigh in, toes tap. Focus knee pulling into chest, toes tap. Rest the body staying really still as leg is moving here. So trying to get a big range of motion here without feeling like we have to compensate and move other areas of the body. 2 more times. 2. 1. Switch out your sides. Opposite thigh pulls in. Maybe trying to get the leg in just a little bit more every time. Back staying nice and relaxed. Sometimes we'll start to grip and hold tension elsewhere in the body, especially as the exercises become more challenging. Try to stay at ease and rest the body, deep with breath. Focus lower body instead. Another time. Very nice. Bring both legs up to tabletop. Exhale, open thighs, and return. Exhale to open, return. The band wants to pull the legs in quickly. You resist that. So you work open, work on the way closed. Now, if this is feeling easy, we're going to make an adjustment this next time. Pause, take the band lower towards the ankles and reach the legs up to the ceiling. Same movement, open, resist, close. Exhale, open, and close. So as you're continuing moving here, maybe increase that intensity, but still feeling that engagement right into the lower body. One last time. Very nice. Come up onto your forearms. Take the band around the feet. And we're on our forearms, but lift it up out of them. One leg goes straighter and bend. Leg just straighter and bend. Thigh stays incredibly still. So the lower leg is moving. So we're working to strengthen the thigh muscle here. Just a few more times. And one last time. Very nice. Switch sides. Opposite leg goes straighter. Light in both of the arms. Easy in the neck. Work focused to leg. And pelvis staying nice and still. We got a few more times here. 2, and last one. Very nice. Wiggle the band up around the thighs. So it's above the knees once again. Let's come on to your side. Still nice and lifted out of your forearm. Feet stay together. Exhale, open leg, and return. Exhale, open. Return. I want you to notice how much is that thigh opening And next time, can you spiral it a little further back, more open, so we get more work for those deep rotators. Continuing, we have 2 more times here. And we get to keep the thigh open. Take the leg to straighter and bend. Keep spiraling thigh open, straighter and bend. The knee is going to want to start lowering down towards the floor. Resist that. Resist gravity and the band. So it's becoming more and more challenging. We're getting deeper with the work. Just a few more times. 3 and 2. Last one. Very nice. Extend both legs. Bottom leg lifts and lowers. Doesn't matter how high the leg lifts. Keep it nice and straight. Still lifted from your underside here. A little lift squeeze and then lowering down. Let's do 2 more times. 2. Last one. Very nice. And second side. So we'll stay lifted out of the side, feet staying together, and exhale, wrap open and lower. So you first notice, how far is the leg opening? Use that awareness. Can you go a little bit further next time? And it's just a fraction of an inch. It's not very much more that it may open, but the work becomes so much more powerful and beneficial because of that. And maybe at that end range, you're noticing a little shaking, that Pilates shake going a little bit deeper. That's perfect. Let's do 2 more times. Now keep the thighs spiraling open, spiral. Leg goes straighter and bend. Keep opening thigh, straighter to bend. Can that thigh open a little bit more? Gravity and band want to pull it down. We need to counter it with mind and then let the body follow that opening thigh. 2 more times. Very nice. Both legs go to your straight position. Bottom leg up. So just a little bit of inner thigh work. We're going to use inner thigh support for next exercise as well. Still lifting up from underside. A few more times here. And one last time. Very nice. Now come on to hands, onto knees. Squeeze in and up on your mat. Imagine. Pull one heel close in towards you. That thigh reaches up. Knee taps down. Reach thigh up. The emphasis is when you lift the leg, trying to keep rest of body really still as the leg lifts up. Again, notice where is your end range. On our last half, can you go a little bit higher with the leg every time? Just a few more times here. Very nice. Lower thigh. Squeeze in and up on the mat. Pull opposite heel in and lift. Sync it with your deep breathing. Exhale up. Inhale, resist coming down. Notice where your range is. And next time, can you go a little bit higher and stay just as stable? Here we go. Almost done. One more exercise for this set. Very nice. Knees come down. Hands on pelvis here. We're hovering right above the heels. Lift up to high kneel. Lower down. We just skim the heels and come right back up. And lowering down. Pressing into feet as you come up. And down. Just a few more times. This motion so beneficial for our body. As long as it's still feeling positive. It can be challenging, but we still want it to feel beneficial for the body. And one last time. Amazing work with that Pilates session. If you enjoyed this class, give it a thumbs up, and you may really like the extended version available within the Trifecta Pilates membership and app. I'm going to leave that info linked up down below for you in the first comment. And I encourage you to join us on the inside if you want a holistic approach to fitness, to improve strength and mobility, and so much more to support your life. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon, whether for another class here on YouTube or within the membership and app.